Today I completed 2 lessons and grammar part also. I think you understood grammar part and understood the lesson also. So once again you go through 2 lessons, ma, because you should remember concept. Okay. Now the third lesson is Puru the Brave. Puru the Brave. Puru is the short name of the Purushottam. Purushottam the Brave. So here we are going to see some characters. Puru, brave, Greek soldiers and generals also we are going to see. Just like a conversation, this lesson you can understand clearly. Okay, ma? So those who are having the textbooks, you open it to page at 40. So while you are reading, you have to clearly you can observe the lesson. Here they given one picture. After completing the lesson, you read the question and write the answers here itself with the pencil. Whatever you are writing in the textbook, you use pencil. Okay, ma? Now I am going to start the lesson. Puru the Brave. Here characters: Alexander, the king of Macedonia. You remember it. Alexander was the king of the Macedonia, who conquered Greece, Persia, etc. These two places conquered by the Alexander. Puru, a king of northern India. Puru was the king of the northern India. Alexander was the king of the Macedonia. So here remember who are the great, who are the great, who are the brave. You can understand. 4 Greek generals and 6 soldiers. 4 Greek generals and 6 soldiers also in our lesson. The camp of Alexander on the banks of the Jhelum. Alexander is sitting on a high chair and his 4 generals are sitting in a lower chair, because these are the lower, then they sat on the lower chair, but Alexander was the highest position, he sat on the high chair. The Greek soldiers are standing at the door. Alexander is having a talk with his generals. Alexander was talking to the generals. The soldiers are standing at the door. Here be careful now. Alexander saying to something, we are going to listen. The battle of Jhelum will go down in the history of our country. Alexander saying, so what was the battle going to the Jhelum that was going to down in the country? Then when he heard the first general saying it will go down in the history of India, to not only country, in India also, like the first general said. Then second general, it will go down in the history of the world, not only in India, history of the world. That means these people are having a jealousy on Jhelum battle. That's why they are saying not good word. They are saying all the against one. Then third general, I have never fought such a battle before. I never seen this type of the battle. Fourth general, I have not either. Until the last moment, I could not believe that we would be able to defeat the army of Puru. First general, second general, third general, fourth general were against the Puru's battle. I never seen this type of the battle. Till last minute, I never believe we are going to fight against the Puru. Like that, all the generals were saying. Whatever the general said, Alexander simply listening. Then you listen. Alexander, yes, it has been a great battle. What did he say, ma? He was saying it was a great battle. Why Alexander said that one? Alexander had something, a good impression on the Puru. That's what he was saying. This was the great battle, perhaps the greatest of my life. I must say, every Indian soldier fought like a tiger. Every Indian soldier fought like a tiger. What did Alexander say? They were fighting like a tiger. That was the great battle. This was the greatest battle in my life. But as a king, he should not say like that. He himself has to feel proud. But he was saying it was great. It was the greatest battle in my life. So I never seen like that. Alexander also saying. Then first general, they fought like devil. Alexander said they were fighting like a tiger. But what the first general saying? No, 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 not like tiger. They were fighting like devils, your majesty. What you are saying? They were not fighting like the tiger. They were fighting like devils. Then again, Alexander. The Indians are good soldiers. From the beginning, you can observe he was appreciating the Puru's battle. First he said, I never seen. This was the great. They were fighting like the tiger. But first general said, no, not fighting like tiger. They were fighting like a devil. Again, he was saying, Indian soldiers are very good soldiers. They know how to fight. They know how to fight. They fight better than our men. Our men mean Alexander men. Puru soldiers are fighting better than our men. Are you understanding what is the good mentality of the Alexander ma? Then second general. But the generals were not as good as ours, sir. The generals are not good. But our generals are very good. Then second general. But the generals are not good as our Alexander. If you mean, what does that mean? They are not brave as the Greek generals. I don't agree with you. No, they are not like our generals. No, whenever they said, when Alexander saying, if you mean what you're thinking, they are good soldiers. They are fighting like tigers. Whenever Alexander was appreciating the Puru, but here the generals are not accepting. They were saying against the Alexander's words. Second general, but they are not very skillful, sir. But they are not skillful. They have no skill. They are not skillful. Then Alexander, see what is the answer now? I see what you mean, and here I agree with you. The Indian generals are still, listen, yes, I agree they are not the skill, but still the Indian soldiers are following the old methods of warfare. They were not using the sophisticated method. They were using only old method in the warfare. They have no skill. Like that, Alexander also agreed with that. Their battle plans are faulty. What are the maintaining their weapons are faulty, and they depend too much upon their elephant. They were depending upon the elephant. Their equipment, their methods are faulty. Their weapons also old method. They are depending upon the elephant. Like that, he was saying. Then third general, I was amazed to see how Puru fought in the battle of Jhelum. How he was going to fight, I wanted to see like that man saying. Then fourth general, he continued to fight even when others had left the field. I think he killed at least 100 of our men with his sword. Fourth general saying, so all of going, but this Puru was going on killing. Nearly he killed 100 people of our men. Like that, fourth general was saying, appreciating the battle of Puru. Second general, and injured many more. So many people killed, and so many people also injured. They lost the ear, they lost the nose, they lost the hand, and like that. So many people got injuries. Like that, he was saying. Again, first general, he was badly injured himself. You remember it? He was badly injured. He was badly injured himself. Himself means who was himself here? Puru. Sir, he also injured himself. You remember it? You catch the point now. Before that, what the fourth general said, he killed nearly 100 people. More people got injuries. Then again, when he injured himself, what he was saying? Second general, that's why we were able to capture him. Otherwise, they are unable to catch. Whenever Puru injured himself, that's why we are able to capture the Puru. Otherwise, they are unable. They agreed. Then Alexander, oh, he is a brave man and a great soldier. He was a brave man and great soldier. I wish he were one of my general. I am wishing if I have the type of the soldiers in my camp. I wanted Kuru in my corps. Why? Because he was a brave man. He was a great soldier. Like that, as a king, he was saying, he was appreciating the Kuru's personality. Then, second general, he is a proud man. Your Majesty, he is a very proud man. How can you allow him? Then Alexander is soldier. He is not a soldier if he is not proud. Definitely, soldiers should feel proud. Each and everyone. Otherwise, he is not a soldier. Like that, whatever generals are saying, he was giving the correct answers. I am not angry with him at all. I don't have any angry on Kuru. He was not frightened by the news of my victory and refused to go before me. When I got the victory, Kuru was not afraid. He was not coming and standing before me. He was not bending down. He was a great man. He was a proud one. When I got the victory, he never failed. Like that, Alexander saying, the first general, he will be brought to your Majesty soon. Let us see how he behaved. Let you see. I'll bring Kuru. Let you see how he was behaving. Then Alexander said, come and bring the Kuru. Soldier, sir, Kuru has been brought to the camp. Alexander, has he been put in chains? Prisoner should put a chain. Then Alexander asked him, has he put in chain? Soldier said, yes, your Majesty. Alexander, go and remove the chain. What a good man. He go and remove the chain. Though he was a prisoner, he should not bring with the chain. You remove the chain and bring. Like that, Alexander passes the order. Then Alexander, they should not have put him in chains. He is a king. Besides being a great soldier, he is a king. Besides means in addition. Besides means in addition. Not only king, but also he was a great soldier. Besides, in addition, he was a king, and besides he was a great soldier. Then they brought the Kuru without the chain. Now he was in the court of the Alexander. To the soldiers, you may go. Now he was standing, remaining soldier, he sent them out. Alexander. To Kuru, he was talking to Kuru. What is the conversation? You be careful. Well, how are you, king? See how nicely he was mentioning. Kuru defeated by the Alexander. Alexander got the victory. But Alexander calling Kuru, oh, how are you, my dear king? Kuru, my name is Kuru. When he called king, Kuru saying, my name is Kuru. Alexander, all right. Are you sorry for the mistake you made, Kuru? Kuru, I made no mistake, sir. I didn't do any mistake. Alexander, didn't you reject my proposal? What was the proposal? We are going to see. Didn't you reject? You rejected my proposal, no? Kuru, yes, I did. I refuse to be your vassal. Vassal means one of giving the supporting on the behalf of the king. They have to fight and give the protection to the king. So you didn't, you rejected my vassal, no? Alexander, do you know that many kings have gladly agreed to be my vassal? All the kings wanted to be my vassal. But what about you? Why you refused? Like that, Alexander asking Kuru. Then what the answer? I know that. And I also that none of them is Kuru. But all agreed. I know that. And none of them is Kuru. Kuru never agreed. That is the answer. First general, softly to the second general, he is indeed a very proud man. He was whispering. They are not talking loudly. Why? Because there was a conversation between the Kuru and Alexander. No? Here the soldiers are, see how proud he was. Then Kuru, I do. but that does not make any difference to me. I am still the lawful king of my country. Though I defeated one, I was the lawful king of my country. He was also king of the northern India, no ma? So I was the lawful king. Like that, he was giving the answer to Alexander. Puru. Alexander asking, how shall I treat you? How nicely he was asking, see, he was a prisoner before the Alexander. But Alexander, how nicely, how softly, how politely was talking. How shall I treat you? What is the answer of the Puru? As a king should treat another king. As a king should treat another king. Both are kings, no? No, Puru was a prisoner. But Puru, brave answer he given. Alexander, Puru, you are a brave man. Puru, you are a brave man. I am pleased with you. I want to make friends with you. I wanted to make friendship with you. I like your behavior. You are a brave man. You are a great soldier. I want your friendship. Then, will you be a friend to me? Will you be a friend to me? How politely he was asking. Will you be a friend? Then what the answer? On one condition. If you want to make friendship with me, one condition. What was the condition? What is that condition? My kingdom should remain independent. If you are treating me as your friend, you should not take my northern India in your kingdom. My kingdom should be independent and you should treat me as your equal. You treat me as equal. But my country should be independent. That is the one condition. Then what the Alexander saying? Agreed. Agreed. Why? Because Alexander wanted me, Puru. He was a great brave man and great soldier. He wants to make the friendship with the Puru. Alexander agreed. After a small gap, I am proud of your friendship, my brother. What the last one, ma? I proud of your friendship, my brother. He was not saying Puru. He was not saying king. He was calling my brother. How nicely. There is no any difference between the Alexander and Puru. Then Puru, I will do my best to be worthy of my friendship with Alexander Great. The great Alexander, the great, but Puru, the brave. But both are the kings. How nicely, Noma. So we should have the type of the friendship with our friends. We should not have any jealousy. Though he was defeated, he was not having any jealousy. Alexander got the victory. He was not having any jealousy. Alexander wanted to make the friendship with the Puru. Okay, ma? Have you understood? All of you write the meanings in the classwork directly. Okay, bye.
Respond.